Hello everyone, John here at E.C.D Auto Design down in Kissimmee, Florida. Today I want to talk to you about what's exciting and new here at E.C.D for the month of November. And incredible things happening. We have such a amazing assortment of vehicles coming out, very exciting times. First of all, we have a black Jaguar E-Type Roadster project Farmington Hills that has an LT1 engine, beautiful black on black with some amazing aluminum finishes inside the cockpit. Of course, absolutely tailored to a client's specifications and definitely one of a kind. Then in contrast, we have a D110 Project Skywood that is probably one of the most intricate builds that we've done to date. Very detailed oriented, everything inside from the cockpit to the leather to the pockets on the doors, even the headliner. It's really special, and I'm sure that you'll enjoy watching more details on that car. Then we have Project Après, which is a beautiful Cornish cream D110 soft top, tan interior, a lot of cream accents inside the cockpit, which makes this car definitely a one of a kind as well. And then we have Project Flashback, which is a D90, very much beefed up bulldog look, wide fender flares, really making it stand out of the crowd. And I'm sure that you'll enjoy that one as well. These are all in our showcase. You can see, of course, visit our website and find out more about them there. You will also find in our newsletter this month a couple of featured articles on ways to ensure your E.C.D build process going smoothly, and also why should you upgrade your classic Land Rover drivetrain. And of course, to learn more about this article, simply visit our website where you find out more about it. Don't forget to visit our YouTube channel where you find out more information about our Video of the Month, where we explore the benefits of EV conversions, where we mention some of the key features of our EV platforms and also how much fun they are to drive. You will also find a couple of press features from Canadian Insider and Car Buzz, where they highlight some of our projects and special features and new developments, of course, in our special cars. Now, of course, to find out more about these, please visit our website into the ECD Impress section where you can learn more about it. And last but not least, we have our new FJ configurator set up and running. So now you can go have some fun playing around with different colors, options, accessories that you can add and play around with for an FJ build. Again, we're super excited to have a new product on the lineup, and the FJ we're sure is going to be a great success as part of the ECD family builds. And don't forget to stay connected with everything happening here at ECD. Please visit our YouTube channel, our social media platforms, as well as our blogs. Thanks again for watching. Until next time.